Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to show you the true power of ChatGPT to create some transcripts and some video titles for you guys. So the first thing you want to do right now is have a YouTube video. So I'm going to use this sample YouTube video. So in other options, just click on this three dots and you'll be good to go. If you're like me, you're just seeing report, you just scroll down all the way down until you see the show transcript option. Let me just go back here. In there, click on more. All the way down, click on show transcript. If you click on that one on the right side, your transcript will be shown. Click on the three dots right there. You need to toggle timestamps for that one. And basically for this, you can just select all the way down. And that's it. So click on right click on copy, go to ChatGPT, and basically paste it right there. Remove some unnecessary text there. Alright. So once you successfully paste it here, add some space on the top, because we're going to enter our prompt. And I'm going to utilize this prompt. So can you make 5 YouTube video titles based on this video script? And then I'm just going to add here is the script. Add some column there, click on enter, and wait for ChatGPT to work its magic. So these are going to be the top 5 titles based on that script. You can add 10 if you want, depending on your liking. And for this one, I'm going to rework it to make it more thought-provoking and more clickable to add curiosity. So I'm just going to add that one just to edit the titles for itself. And as you can see right there, from these titles, we now have this. Alright? So next up, what's the next prompt here? So I'm going to ask for write a short video script from these video titles. So I'm just going to select 3 titles here. But we select the first 3. I'm going to first one right there, second one, and basically third one. Now choosing which one of which depending on you guys. So I'm just going to select the first 31 there. Now I'm creating a script for 45 to 60 seconds long. As you can see right here, I'm not doing anything. ChatGPT is doing it for me. So the last script here, or the last prompt, would be create descriptions. Because right now I'm creating scripts. Now I'm going to select some descriptions option. So I'm just going to select that one right there and select the titles one more time just to align the script and wait for ChatGPT to finish. I'm just going to select on answer. So this one right here is going to be my script. And right now I'm having my descriptions. Alright? It's going to be easy as that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.